In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract the first name from email address in Excel. If you've got a list of email addresses and you just need the first names for a mail merge, a report, or a quick greeting column, this method is fast and doesn't require writing any formulas. We're going to use Excel's Flash Fill, which learns from an example and then completes the rest for you automatically. Start by adding a new column right next to your email addresses. Click into the first empty cell in that new column, aligned with the first email. Here, type the name exactly the way you want it to appear. Because our goal is to extract the first name, type only the first name with the capitalization you prefer. If your example happens to include both first and last names, that's okay too. Flash Fill will follow whatever pattern you demonstrate. But for this tutorial, keep it to just the first name so Excel learns that's what you want. With that example typed in, you're ready to let Flash Fill do the heavy lifting. On Windows, press Ctrl+E. On Mac, press Command+E. Excel will instantly scan the entire email column, recognize the pattern from your example, and generate a preview that pulls out the first name from each email. You'll see the suggested results spill down the column all at once. Take a second to review what Excel came up with. Make sure it's consistently grabbing the text before the separator in your emails, whether that's a dot, an underscore, a hyphen, or just the text before the @ sign. If anything looks off, don't worry. Press Undo, refine your example so it clearly shows what you want, and press the shortcut again. Sometimes providing a second example in the next row helps Excel lock in the pattern when your data is inconsistent. When everything looks right, press Enter to accept the Flash Fill suggestions. That confirms the results and writes the extracted first names into the cells. You can now format the column, use it in formulas, or copy and paste the values wherever you need them. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Flash Fill works best when your example cell is immediately adjacent to the data you're transforming. If you don't see suggestions, make sure Flash Fill is turned on in Excel's options. Then try the shortcut again. And remember, you can always adjust the sample and rerun Flash Fill until the results are perfect. That's it. Clean, fast first name extraction from emails in just a few keystrokes.